the question here is that the Supreme Court has been very clear. It says, please don't politicize this. The law will take its course. We are ensuring that the law does take its course after a quick and efficient investigation. But several questions have been raised on the role and evident cover-up which was done by the Kolkata police. Do you think this case can be that case in which structural changes can be brought in to ensure safety of women, safety of doctors, rather than looking at it from the prism of politics?
Maria, this is an extremely important, urgent, and a vital question that you have taken up. Crimes against women are increasing across the country. As we have seen, 90 assault cases take place on a daily basis against women. Now, I don't agree with your interpretation that the Supreme Court has in any way found fault with the Bengal government. Yes, the Apex Court raised some very important questions throughout the hearing today, but the Kolkata police gave a minute-by-minute account of the day. It said exactly why at 10:10 it registered that unnatural death case, why the FIR was registered later. The unnatural death case registration was in no way dissimilar to an FIR. The manner in which the autopsy was conducted, the manner in which the postmortem was conducted. I think the Supreme Court gave some very important rulings, Maria, which I would like to flag here. First of all, yes, do not politicize crimes against women. We need fast-track justice. We need exemplary punishment. We have to speak in one voice, in empathy and solidarity. We stand with the anguished. We stand with the angry. Protest is a legitimate right of the citizen, but an incitement to violence is not. Those inciting violence in the name of protest, those inciting mobs in the name of protest, there the law will take its course. But in a case like the RG Kar incident, where citizens are grieved, citizens are anguished, we share that anguish as a state government. We stand with protesters, but we will also uphold the law, and that is what has happened. The Kolkata police, as you know, has cracked this case. The Kolkata police in 24 hours has arrested the criminal who is, as the CBI status report has also established, is the criminal. There is no case made out for a gang rape. Wild theories were speculating on social media. That is not established in the CBI report. And also, I would like to say, Maria, the point is the Supreme Court made two very important observations, which we welcome. First of all, don't politicize crimes against women. Second of all, the narrative and the investigation of crimes against women cannot be established on Twitter. It cannot be established on social media. Social media and media cannot establish the timeline and line in a crime against women, and in a case where there is investigation going on. Let the police do its job in a fair and impartial manner. If there are gaps in accountability and responsibility, those will be corrected. Those will be taken into consideration. But, expecting a T20 style ball by ball commentary on social media is to reduce
let me bring in Shazia Ilmi now.
Drama.
Yes.